None of us can predict exactly how we will age. Eventually, many of us will need some sort of daily assistance, and the last thing you want to worry about when you make that choice is how to pay for it. Insurance companies offer policies that cover much of the cost of long-term care. But are they really worth it? Debra Speyer is here to discuss the pros and cons of long-term care insurance. Debra, you've devoted your career to sorting out people's financial futures. While much of retirement has hopefully been planned in advance, what are some of the issues we may not have planned for?
Suzanne, I always find that seniors plan for retirement. They plan for spending time with grandchildren. They'll spend time traveling. But the one thing people don't plan for is long-term illness. And that's something that you need to put into the picture in terms of your life planning.
What exactly is long-term care?
It can be something as short as having somebody come over your home to take care of you on a daily or several days a week basis, and taking care of such things as dressing, bathing, eating. And it could go as far as full-time nursing home care in a nursing home.
Well, now, most of us aren't aware of exactly how much long-term care will cost. Nursing homes, for example, can cost as much as $6,000 a month. How can anyone hope to afford that?
People are not aware that nursing home care, depending on what state you're living in, can run $50,000 to $100,000 a year. People end up looking to their savings. They end up looking towards family members. Some people take out reverse mortgages. Other people, if they don't have the money, will go on to Medicaid, and the government will pick up the tab, or people purchase long-term care insurance. I mean, those are pretty much your options, Suzanne.
When should people begin considering such a policy?
In your mid-50s. That's when premiums are less expensive. I'd say up until about your mid-60s, people can still afford to pay premiums.
Now, what do these plans typically cover?
I always tell my clients you want the broadest policy possible. You want a policy that covers staying in your home, because most seniors want to stay in their home if that's possible. I'd suggest that people buy a policy that allows you to have assisted living facility, that allows for nursing home care. So you really have to think about what your needs could be and make sure you get a policy that reflects all those needs.
Now, insurance companies have recently come under scrutiny due to confusing claims or complete lack of payment. How can we guarantee that we get the money we deserve?
Insurance companies are in the business of making money. If they can have a claim denied, they're going to make more money. So you have to make sure that you're complying with the policy in order to make sure your claims are not bounced. I mean, for example, I have a case now in which somebody bought a policy 25 years ago. The policy called for having to be in the hospital for almost a week. Now, nowadays, it's very hard. You have to be extremely sick to be in a hospital for a week. So when this person needed a nursing home, although she did not need a 7-day hospital stay, so what happens is they denied the policy. So it's important to make sure that you're buying a policy in which there's not a difficult point of entry to get in and use the benefits. So you have to make sure that you're getting a very broad policy so that you don't have those issues of a company denying coverage.
Thank you, Debra, for offering some really key insights into long-term care insurance.
Suzanne, thanks for having me. I always enjoy being here.
And thank you for watching. I'm Suzanne Roberts.